what I did is poured some of this inside here and then washed it with water and wiped it clean. And what I'm gonna do, I have to remove this part here. Once it's removed, then we can look inside here. Snap on here to be able to get it done. Just like okay, this popped right up from this portion. Now we have access to the other tube, and we have to clean here. This one we have to merge it in some more line here. Submerge it to clean it. So this part is a part that delivers the water inside the coffee maker. Where you pour the coffee here. This one doesn't need filter, it's metal. Where you pour the coffee here, this component right here delivers the water to it. This part right here, this is where the water, it puts the water inside here. See that? But this portion is for the calcium and mineral buildup, so I gotta soak this one too as well. So now we have access to this tube, which is right here, and I'm pretty sure that's bad also. So what I would do, I would pour some of the water inside this tube right there and hold it for a minute or so it cleans up. Sorry about that. Can you see that? There we go. So after this, the coffee machine would be looks just like the first day you have purchased, brand new, clean, no build-up, nothing, and it's gonna taste very good. The coffee is gonna taste very good because we got all the minerals out of it. And right here. You need to clear the entire water passage, the area that the water go through. So any area that the water passes through, you have to clear it out of all the minerals, which I'm doing right now. Those two tubes, two aluminum tubes that I showed you, they're parallel to one another. One of those tubes has a sensor in it. There's no water passing through that one. The one that's attached to it and parallel is the one that passes the water through it, and then that gets build up of chalk and minerals in that one. I will show you that in a second, which is right here. You can see it. See, this this had heavy chalk buildup. I have some image taken prior to this, which is not on the video, uploaded. This one right here, it has the wires connected. There's no water passing through here. There's sensors connected to this. This one, water passes through and comes out the other direction. So we cleared this, as you saw earlier. Inside we put CLR with water, and this is all clean. The entire area is clean. Now we have to clear this portion, which is this one. This part is really, gets really dirty, full of minerals. It's got to be soaked in the CLR too, and it has to be cleared out. So shake it quite a bit there, cleans it out, and then we got, I don't know if you can see this tube, there's a tube right here. There is a tube right there. This tube here that comes out here, you can see the top, and from here there's that tube that I already cleared and I showed you, the one that was really bad. There's a plastic tube that connects to both of them. It's like a coupling between both tubes, and you have sort of an earring that connects them together. So this is all cleaned up now. So all we need to do, put it back together and run water for a couple of times. Actually, they say 8 times, but maybe 3 or 4 or 5, whatever it takes to clear it out. Run water there, and then the coffee should taste great after that. This is very clean right now, very clean. I'm using hot jet water on this one. Hot water, steaming water, to get it really cleaned up. Okay, we got that sorted out now.